Well, good morning. Or, well, it's about noon. Close. Well, we got 3 inches of rain after we had that snow. Look over here. All of the wood is picked up and done. The wind's blowing pretty bad. You might hear the wind. You see the trees blowing. Yeah, it's a windy day today. It started off, it was 42 degrees this morning. It's down to 38 and the wind's blowing. It's probably gusting 35 to 40 sometimes. I had to anchor my gate. It goes out the side of my fence because it ripped off. Or at least the top hinge ripped off. But all the wood's gone from over there. There's Henry. Say hi, Henry. Say hi, Henry. Oh, Teddy's barking at me. Oh, here comes Fuzzy. There's Fuzzy. That's my Maine Coon cat. He's the one that leaves animal parts on my ramp. Round, yes. You want to go back in again? And you can see over here is all the wood we got. There's about 1.5 cords there, and the shed's full. So I've got over 5 cords for the winter. I'm all done with the wood for the winter. I'm so happy about that. And since some of it thawed out, I was able to mash down a bit of this to start getting it spread out a little bit, because that will go right in here. Yeah, Henry's doing better. Well, he only attacked the guy that was helping me do the wood twice. But, you know. And there's the girls. Hey, Fuzzy, what you want? Oh, look, the tarp is off the four-wheeler. Well, I'm going to have to put that back on. I had it bungeed. Guess I'll have to do a better bungee job. As you can see, the wind's blowing good. It's blowing. And right there is the sun. Thank you. And there's the sun. There's Fuzzy on the car. One of his favorite perches. I come over and say hi, Fuzzy. Hi, Fuzzy. Fuzzy, good boy. You good boy. Yes, you mama's boy. You mama's boy. Yeah, Fuzzy's a good cat. He's a sweet baby. Yeah, so at least I got the wood done. No more struggling with that for the rest of the winter. Just have to carry it in the house. Well, I'm going to get off here. You all have a good day.